And now we will demonstrate the easy installation. So first what you want to do is take the telescope tube and set it on top of the mount. And you just turn this clockwise and it will adjust firmly to the mount. Nice and snug, easy to do. And then next you want to take what's called the Zenith Mirror and put it into the rest of the telescope. And all of these there's a handy screw here. You could just turn by hand to tighten it as you wish. And then you have your Barlow lens, which you insert into the Zenith Mirror. And again, there is a screw here that you can tighten to keep the tension you like. And now we have two eyepieces. We have the 10 millimeter and the 25 millimeter. The 25 millimeter is for seeing things that are closer, and the 10 millimeter is for seeing things that are farther away. So for example, now we will insert the 10 millimeter eyepiece into the Barlow lens, and then you just turn the screw until it is snug. We also have the finder scope, which all you have to do is insert it into the mount onto the telescope tube, and again, just tighten the screws until it is snug. So very easy to use. And then if you can want to adjust the angle of the telescope, you can as well. Next is the accessory tray. All you have to do is put it onto the base of the tripod. And this is really convenient because it's a place where you can keep your extra eyepiece, as well as a telephone for later use. And then it also comes with the lens cleaner. It's an air lens cleaner, and then you would just use this to clean the lenses. Now that everything is assembled and you have it adjusted at the angle that you want, you can tighten it and you are ready to go. All you have to do is take off the lens cap and voila, this is your ticket to seeing the stars. When you are viewing the moon in outer space, you will always see things at a different sharpness. Each person will see it differently. So to adjust the sharpness, all you have to do is turn the focus knob until it comes into the sharpness that you can see perfectly. So the adjustment knob is here. Turn until you can see it. Just right.